There are so many DIYs out in the world, but here at Ready Set Viral, we're going to be talking about 11 cheap yet fun DIYs. Let's head into it. Number 1, DIY candle holder. For this one, you're going to get a tuna can that's either empty or you can just get one that you're not going to use and empty it out. Make sure to clean all of it and take the label off. Then get multiple clothespins and using some nail polish, paint the clothespins whatever color you'd like. We chose a dark brown. Once you're done, place them all around the tin can, and now you can place your candle inside. Number 2, DIY knife cover. This one is really helpful if you're going out for a picnic and don't want to cut yourself taking out any of your food. First, get an empty paper towel roll and place it over the knife. Fold over the top of it and use a piece of tape to secure it. Once you're done, you'll have a really easy knife holder. Number 3, DIY lamp. First, you're going to need a lot of clothespins. Take them all apart and using the halves, place them in a triangle shape like so. Hot glue them together and do this multiple times. You can now pile all of these triangles up like so. Then using one popsicle stick cut in half, hot glue this to the bottom so you have a nice base. Then get a wooden dowel and place some LED string lights around it and into the tower you just made. You'll have an amazing lamp. Number 4, DIY light fixture. This is great if you have a colander that you no longer use. First, get a drill and open up one hole a little bit bigger so that you can fit your bulb and string through it. Then, string it through and attach the bulb once again. Once you're done, you can use it to hang over your table whenever you'd like. Number 5, DIY pom-poms. For this one, you're going to need 2 empty toilet paper rolls and some yarn. First, place the entirety of the yarn around the toilet paper rolls like so. Once you're done, tie it off in the middle so that you have an indent. Then, once you're done, you can take out the toilet paper rolls and cut the 2 sides of the yarn. Now you have your very own pom-pom. Number 6, DIY drawer organizer. For this one, you're going to need multiple 20 centimeter by 8 inch paper. First, you're going to get a hot glue gun and place 2 strips of hot glue onto the paper. Place your next sheet on top and put 3 strips of hot glue on that. Do this multiple times back and forth from 3 strips of glue to 2 strips of glue, and then once you're done, cut this in half, lengthways. Then hot glue these 2 sheets together and you are done. Once you pull it apart, you'll have the perfect drawer organizer. Number 7, DIY lettuce. If you have a head of lettuce and cut off the bottom with the roots, you'll be able to place it inside a cup of water and have new lettuce within a week. Number 8, a planter. For this one, you're going to need some white clay. First, shape it into the best circular shape you can, and using a knife, start cutting some geometric shapes carefully. Now, use a sander and sand the top of it, and you are done. You can place any plants you want inside, and it looks absolutely amazing. Number 9, DIY bracelet. For this one, you're going to need some colorful straws. First, place the colorful straw slightly over a lit candle so that it melts just like this. Place it directly into a cup of cold water and cut off the tip that was melted. Do this multiple times with many colored straws and then place all of these pieces onto a string and tie it up. It'll look absolutely amazing once you're done. Number 10, DIY pencil holder. For this one, you're going to need 20 corks. First, place 3 corks on their side and hot glue them like so. You can use a piece of cardboard on the bottom as well. Then, on the corners, place 2 corks lengthways on top of each other. Do this multiple times to make a square, and once you're done, cut the excess of the cardboard off and you have an amazing pencil holder. Number 11, DIY shelf. For this one, you're going to need multiple thick popsicle sticks. Place them in a hexagonal shape while hot gluing each of the popsicle sticks together. Continue doing this many times until the shape is your desired height. Then, using some wood stain paint, paint the entirety of the popsicle sticks. Once you're done and it's all dry, you can hang it on your wall however you'd like and put anything you'd like inside of it. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!